Good afternoon, Standard 10th, Subject English. Today we learn a new poem 2.3, The Twins, on page number 57. Warming up, chit chat, listen carefully. Two babies born at the same time are called twins. Guess and share who are. First up, triplets, quadruplets, and quintuplets. तिळे चार पाच in Marathi. Imagine you had an identical twins brother or sister. Imagine and share with your classmate or friends. You would play on your friends, elders in the family and even in school. Now second, study the following pairs of groups of words. Cup and saucer, needle and thread, bird and beads, take a risk, sip tea, copy, hide and seek, etc. These are spare words. These are sets of words that more than often go together and occur together. We call such sets collocations. Now insert the proper words from the bracket to form collocations. Collocations of the sense. Combine two words together or combine two words. First term, afford, betime, sedipate, declothes, E honors, F necessary, zero, H interview, I morning, J cold. A absolutely necessary, cannot afford, formal clothes, job interview, past time, accept defeat, early morning, catch a cold, leading road, and joint owners, like this. Exaggeration or overstatement often causes humor. For example, she is thin as a pin. Exaggeration. He has a pea-sized brain. My shoes are killing me. When such exaggerated lines occur in poetry, they are examples of figure of speech hyperbole, Atishokti Alanka. You learned in also other language in Marathi. Now complete the following example of hyperbole using words from the brackets below. A. She wept an ocean of tears. The hungry man ate a ton of food. He runs faster than a horse. Pura, I am freezing today. I shall come over in just a second, like this. So, I read the part of the poem for an extract. You listen carefully on page number 58. The twins. See. Listen carefully. In form and feature, face and limb, I grew so like my brother that flocks got taking me for him, and each for one another. It puzzled all our kith and kin. It reached a fearful pitch, for one of us was born a twin, yet not a soul knew which. Path. Listen carefully, look at the words. Form and feature means structure and appearance. Taking here mistaking. Taking means mistaking. Kith and kin means relatives. And pitch means limit height. So now I tell you about it. Listen carefully. See. In first stanza, in first stanza. The poet or the narrator was one of a pair of twins. You know that the word means twins. Two babies born at the same time, a mother. The narrator was one of a pair of twins, and so right from their birth, narrator and his brother were similar in form and feature, face and limbs. Means they are similar, all the appearance, body appearance, and so the resemblance was so close that people began mistaking one for the another. People began mistaking one for the another. Means they don't know who is who. And after that, all the relatives, friends were confused and are puzzled, and at times the confusion reached a very high level. So one became a mistake. And it was certain that one of them was born a twin. Because why is this happen? Because it was certain that one of them was born a twin, but no one knew for sure which of them was it, and so one make mistake and another people put it to another, and so there is the problems in their real life because they are twins and the mistakes always happen then. So we stop here. Next period we will learn the remaining part of the poem. Read it by heartily again and again. We stop